Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the preview of Beauty Therapies and Aesthetic Specialist Guideline, published by the Association of International Certified Esthetician, or AICA. My name is Azman Zakaria. Let me give a brief introduction about the author. Professor Dr. Ng Wee Keong is the founder and president of AICA. He has been involved in the beauty science industry for more than 30 years. He has local and international exposures and has established his first beauty salon in Malaysia in 1987, which then grew to 60 salons throughout Malaysia and Singapore. Professor Dr. Ng is also a well-known speaker in the beauty and health science industry. He inspires the beauty practitioners to pursue lifelong learning for their professional development that will contribute to the growth of the beauty industry. Welcome, Professor. It's an honor to have you with us today. I'm very glad you have finally completed this book, this guideline. So before we proceed further, I'd like to invite Prof to say a few words.
Thank you, Engineer Asman. Thanks for your invitations.
Yeah.
I'm Professor Dr. Ng Wee Keong, and I'm the author of this book. I've been involved in the beauty industry for more than 30 years. Yeah.
Okay. Prof, just a little bit of sharing. Can you share with us, how did you come up with the idea of producing the guideline?
Yeah, I think every movement and any decisions, you have your motive, and dream.
Sure.
Especially like involving in beauty industry for more than 30 years. Of course, there must be something in mind I need to fulfill in life, you see. So since we know in the past 40 years, beauty industry, basically we don't have regulation.
Correct.
We don't have law as well.
Yeah.
So I think as a player in beauty industry, we should have social responsibility to help not only to help the industry to grow,
Okay.
but also to help the government, to set up regulations. Just we trying to stabilize the small medium industry. Instead, without law, without regulations, incident may happen from time to time because due to the advancement of the technology.
Yes.
Yeah, this is one of the motive why I come out the books.
Okay.
Try to seek helps from the government to regulate the beauty industry.
Okay. And Prof, how important is the handbook to the beauty industry, and how can it assist the beauty professionals?
I think the beauty guidelines is very important. It's a direction,
Yeah.
Toward the objective. Without the guidelines, without the frameworks, I don't think we are able to regulate the beauty industry. Even in time to come, toward become a law. Yeah. But the framework and the guideline is very important because the beauty player, they have experience. In life, they have beauty experience.
Right.
So I think the person who have been working for so long, they involved in the technology transformation, have seen the transformation of the technology. So surely he got something. In life, something experience in beauty industry. They should come out the industry, and they should come out the guidelines to help the industry.
Okay. And also, I'm sure, in terms of the efforts taken, to come up with this guideline for the industry, I would like to, if you can just share a synopsis, of the guideline.
Yeah, the main purpose, to publish the beauty therapies and aesthetic specialist guideline,
Yeah.
is to collaborate with the government authority, in regulating and supervising the beauty industry. So because we want to prevent unwanted incident happen again, and also protects the right of the consumer.
Right.
So this book, basically we have 5 chapters, divided 5 chapters. I think the first chapter is to introduce AICA purpose. Yeah.
Okay.
The second chapter, I think it's the parameter.
Right.
Between beauty therapists and aesthetic therapists, there's a parameter. Okay. Chapter 2.
Okay.
So the chapter 3, it talk about the qualification and definition. people who practice in beauty industry, they should know how to carry the qualification, their definition. So the fourth one, basically, it's the license, certification and license.
Okay.
You need a license to practice,
Yes.
especially aesthetic specialist. Yeah. The fifth one, I think it's professional attribution. The moral of the professional who practice in the beauty industry, they should have the attribution. So AICA basically is leading the beauty industry in Malaysia to be one of the most faster growing industry. And we want to ensure the level of higher quality services
Right.
and protections for the general publics. That is the main purpose why we produce the guidelines, we're working in hand with the government. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Prof, for the sharing, and also for being with us today. Yeah, I'm sure with the sharing, with the knowledge that you have put into the guidelines, so it will bring benefit to the beauty industry. So I wish you and AICA all the best, ladies and gentlemen. We will see you again in the official launching of this guideline. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you.